Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to explain about scripting includes in scripting section. Okay, let's see what all the topics we are going to cover in the scripting include. Okay, and let's log into your system or customer instance and let's see what all the topics we are going to cover in the scripting include. So we will cover what is script include, why we use script include, and what all when we use a script include, and how to write the script include, how to test it, and debug the script include. Okay, so these things we will do, and also what we will do is what are the types of the script include? What are the types of the script include we have? Okay, so one of the type we are going to explain in this section, and the remaining types we will see in the upcoming section. And also how do we write script include, okay, in application scopes? How do we protect the script include? So all these kind of things we will see in this section. Okay, so first, what is script include? What is the overview of the script include? So generally, like you heard about variable sets, right? So we use variable sets across all the many other catalog items. So to show the same variables on different catalog items, we use variable sets. The same way, we use a JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript in different server in different business rules or client side, whatever it is. Okay, so we use reusable. Okay, we store this JavaScript, okay, in the script include, and we call on the server side execution scripts. Okay, those are called a script include. So nothing but, okay, the script include, the script includes, we can call in any number of server side execution scripts. Okay, so then so that means we write once. Okay, we write once and use many. Okay, so these script includes can be written on the server side script. For example, in the business rule, you are doing something. Okay, but the same code you have to use in multiple business rules. Then what you will do, you will create one script include. Okay, and you call the script include in different business rules. So that is called write once and use many. The same script include you can call on the client side also. Okay, client side, client scripts, okay, UI policies, all these things. But the calling method in the server side and the client side is different. That I will explain you when I'm showing you demo. Okay, so that is the script include. Okay, so how the script include will trigger? So the script include will trigger only when we execute. Okay, when we call the script include, then only it will execute. For example, if you create one script include, but you are not calling the script include in any of the business rules or client scripts, then the script include will not execute. Okay, so let's see some examples now. Let's see how to create a script include. Okay, so in the left navigation panel, write a script include. Okay, write script include. Click on script include system under system UI. Okay, so these are the out of the box, script include we have. Okay, so unless we call the script include in any of the functionality or any of the business rules or client side script, then these script include will not execute. Okay. So let's create a new script include. This name is like name of the script include. Okay, no spaces or special characters. Okay, format is very important here. Okay, so it's like uh, script include name. We need to write like this. Okay, we should not write like this. Okay, script include name, then the error will come. Okay, so we should have we should create some script include name. So now see, so there is no spaces or no special characters in the name, and the API name will be taken automatically by the application dot and script include name. This is the API name. This is the, so if you are calling the script include in different scopes, then you have to use the API name. Or if you are calling the script include in the same scope, then you should call the script include name itself. Okay, so you can define from where we can access the script include. Access from, this is the application scope or all application scope. So all application scope. Okay, so when the scripting, if you want to call the script include in client-side script, okay, so you need to check this the client callable. Then the script is different. Okay, so why, how it different, why it different? So we will see later. Okay. Okay, so this active means like, for example, if you select, if this is active and you are calling the script include from the business rule, then the script include will run. If it is not active and if you are calling the script include from the business rule, then it will not run. Okay, if it only active, then only it will run. Okay, here the script to execute. Okay, to execute the script or to execute some logic. Okay. Script include does not execute if there are a spaces or special characters in its name. Okay, that you have to remember it. Okay, that you have to remember it. Now we will see what all the types of the script include. Okay, types. We have mostly three types of script include. One, it is okay. Um, one classless function. Okay, classless functions. What is classless functions? So if you want to create, okay, if you want to create one reusable function, okay, only one function, and a reusable function, okay, but then we will use classless function, and also it will execute only on server side script, okay. That is the classless function. I will show you a demo so that you will you will get to know what is classless function easily. Okay, after I explain the remaining types. Okay, then new class, defining a new class. Okay, so you can create a new class. Okay, in the script include. So inside the new class, you can call many functions, and you can use in client side script also, client side or server side. Okay, server side. And next one is using extend an existing class. Okay, so this adds a functionality to an existing class and can be called from client side scripts also. Okay, both server and client side scripts. Okay, so what you understand is like if a script is used multiple times and it should be stored as a script include method. Okay, inside that method can be a one function call or many functions calls, anything. Okay, and extend to the existing function. Okay, so now we will see in this section, we will see only the classless function. How do we create a classless function? How do we call in the business rule? Okay, or server side scripting. Okay, so let's see that classless function. So as I told you, classless function is one function. Our classless script includes are not callable from client side script, and even if client callable option is selected. So let's create one classless function. Okay. So for example, this I need to, okay, before I need to define a business justification, like why I am creating the script include. Okay. and what is the purpose of the script include I am creating. So some justification to, okay. So let's open an incident, create new. Okay. So if I fill caller and the service is SAP enterprise service configuration item, and so this assignment group, GP means group. Okay. So if it is, if I save, okay, if I submit it, okay, if I submit, so at the assignment group, okay, is empty, okay, and it is not filled with anything, okay. So what I want to do is I want to get the service. For example, if you open the service, you have support group is software, okay. So if there is no assignment group is filled, then this software should be filled here. So for that, okay, I will create a business rule. Inside that business rule, I have to call a script include. But you can call in the business rule also, but that the same script I have to use in different tables or different functionalities wherever it is required. So that's the reason I will use the same functionality. Okay, I have to use that. I have to use the same script. Okay, as reusable. So for that purpose, I will create a script include. So what is the name of the script include? Get group. Okay, by get group by service. This is my script include name. Okay, so automatically this is not a client callable, because if you check this client callable also, we are creating a classless function. So if you check the client callable also, it will not work on the client side script. Okay, to create a client callable or classless function, you just delete the script and create a function name like uh, same name. Okay, you should use the same name. Okay, you should not use the different name, function name. Okay, same name. So do you know? So how we will get the group? So based on the service selected. So that service you need to add here. So we will use a service SCR as a service name. Okay. So once you get the service SSID, so what you will do? So where gr tab. Okay, I will declare a some. I will initiate a some. Okay, where uh, service is equal to new glide record. Glide record is this one. Okay, new glide record of service table. Okay, service table is cmdb underscore ci underscore service. Okay, so we will get only one SysID, so that we have to get only one value, one value. So one value, if you are getting, if you know that you will get only one value, use okay get method service dot get of sir. Okay, sir, not this dot sir. Okay, we use um we use sir. Okay, sir is the function. Okay, sir, this SysID we will get. Okay, then what we will do, then in the return value, okay, we will pass SysID of the assignment support group dot to string. Okay, so instead of passing as a object, we have to pass as a string. Okay, we have to pass as a string. This is a better method instead of calling service dot support group. Okay, so we should use a get value or dot toString. We can use it. Okay, get value or toString. Okay, so we are storing the return value. Okay, into this one. Here you can do some methods like if service is there or not. Okay. Um, if there is no service, okay, else what we have to do. Okay, so something like the default service, default assignment group you can add or everything, but this is simple. Just to show an example, what is a classless function. Okay, this is a classless function. We don't have any classless function, but we are creating one function. That's it, and save it and save it and open the incident and configure a business rule. So in the business rule, okay, so what I will create is set service, no, set assignment group, set group by service. Okay, so click on advanced. So when before insert or update. Okay, what's the filter condition? If assignment group is empty, then only it should run. Assignment group is empty, then only it should run. Okay, action. In advance, we should set current dot assignment group is equal to the script include which we created, right? The script include which we created, that function we need to call. Just get group by equal to, okay? Get group by. Inside this, we need to pass a service, right? Current dot business service dot to string, or um, you can use anything. Okay, you can use get value also. Okay, so let's see. Save it. Open incident. Create new incident. Set caller service SAP configuration item and save it. So here software is automatically populated. Okay, so before the software is not populated, now the software is populated. Now what we will do is we will deactivate this one. We will deactivate the script include, and we will remove this software and save it. Okay, now try to update the incident and let's see if I will get an assignment group. No, we are not getting assignment group because you see, we are calling the script include, but the script include is deactivated. So that's the reason it is not populating. Okay, now if I activate again and if try to update it now, let's see. So now it is updating. Okay, so now it is updating. So that is how we have to create a classless function, classless script include. Okay, and how to use the classless script include like this. Okay, simple. Call the script include. There is no need of a new script include name or something like that. Okay, no script include name or something. Okay, just a script include and this one. Okay, here we are passing the this idea of the business service. Okay, as a variable, and here it is storing in the variable called ser and using this ser, and we are getting the support group as a string, and we are sending the support group, and this assignment group is getting populated. Okay, a simple. So I hope you understand. So the next two sections, like two classes, like new class, many functions, client side servers, okay, and extend an existing class. So that on the application scopes we will see in the upcoming section. Okay. So for now, this is the one. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.